I'm Naomi.
And I'm Ruby.
And together we are
The Whisk and Wishes. Today we are going to be making gluten-free chocolate chip brownies.
Let's get started. First we're going to add our cane sugar. Now we're going to add brown sugar, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Stir until combined. Here we have 2 large eggs. Add one at a time. And 2.
Okay, so first we have gluten-free 1-to-1 flour. Then we have baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. That was like a bomb. Now you're gonna mix until combined. Of course, there's no liquid in here, but you just mix all the powders together.
Now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients, a little bit at a time, into our wet batter.
Okay, now once you're done, you're gonna mix it a little bit more. Okay, now once you have it mixed, you're gonna pour your chocolate chips in.
And our walnuts.
Okay, now that we're done mixing, we're gonna grab our pan.
Lined with parchment paper. Need an offset.
Well, think. This is before we put it in the oven. Fingers crossed. And now we just wait for 30 minutes. Was that good? That was good. I want to eat it. So the brownies have this.
One
people are allergic to walnuts, but I know there are some people that don't like walnuts. And she said, well, we're just gonna have to suck it up.
Yeah. Figure it out. It's really good.
Yummy.
I need to get this.
Is that what? 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Thank you.
I don't like brownies that are too sweet. Like these are like.
Are you sure she can do it? Hey.
You don't want?
You don't want them?
Dude.
You know I got the Beavis. You know, I probably got left over. One to back up.
Is it good? Did our hard work pay off?